first step, ask the client to close their eyes and observe their breath. Then ask them to open their eyes and ask them for a permission. Do I have the permission to work with you? तो
Okay.
client को सुन के अच्छा लगता है, हमसे पूछा. Illusion of choice से कोई client no नहीं बोलेगा. They are paying you for that, but they feel good, right? Once they say yes, then ask them to focus on a point which is above their eye level. Why above the eye level?
Because naturally you're inducing a I don't know.
It's basically because when your eyes are staring up, eyes get tired faster. Then after they find the point, you will give them instructions that I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to say now, I want you to start counting backwards from 50, loudly and clearly. You can also say slowly. And then tell them, every time I use the word now, you will add 1 to a number that you are on and start counting backwards. Give them an illustration, what you mean. It serves two purposes. One, it helps the client understand what you want them to do clearly. Second, because they're staring at that point and you're giving them longer instructions, it's increasing the time frame where they're staring at that point. Their eyes will get tired faster. After that, once they start counting, you will say now, now, now at different places to confuse them. Whenever you feel that now they are making mistakes, they've closed their eyes, right? Or it's visibly clear that it's becoming difficult for them. Then you tell them to close their eyes and go deeper sleep. Then give them some suggestions to observe their breath and relax.
Okay.
After that, give them suggestions for future. Right now, you are not doing eye challenge. You will do eye challenge after I've explained that to you in the next topic.
Okay.
And you will give suggestions for future and then wake them up.
Okay.
Now, so Ganesh, what I would like you to do is just close your eyes for a moment.
Yeah.
And then take 3 slow, deep breaths. And then slowly open your eyes. Now, let me know. Do I have the permission to work with you?
Yeah.
Brilliant, brilliant. Would you be able to find a point somewhere in front of you above your eye level?
Yeah.
Good. Now, as you continue looking at that point, you know how it is when you keep looking at a particular point, when you keep staring at a particular point for too long, your eyes have a tendency to get heavier. The eyelids want to blink. There may also be this watery layer that forms over the eyes. You may notice all of this happening. If your eyes feel heavy and you would like to blink your eyes, you can go ahead and blink your eyes. Every time you blink your eyes, you become aware of the heaviness in your eyes, becoming stronger. While you continue staring at that point, becoming aware of the heaviness in your eyes. In a few moments, I am going to say 1, 2, 3 now. And when I say that, you will notice that not just your eyes are becoming heavy, but I would like you to start counting backwards from 50. And then as you count backwards, whenever I use the word now, I want you to add 1 to the number that you are on and start counting backwards again. So it's like 50, 49, 48, 47, now. 48, 47, 46, 45, now. 46, 45, 44. Is that clear?
Yes.
Perfect. And remember, as you continue staring at that point, every time you blink your eyes, you become aware of the heaviness in your eyes. The longer you continue staring at that point without blinking, the heavier your eyes get. And at any point, if you feel that your eyes are so heavy that you're finding it difficult to keep them open, you can go ahead and close your eyes. While staring at that point for now, start counting backwards from 50, loudly and clearly. 1, 2, 3. Now.
50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40,
Now.
40, 39,
Now.
39, 38,
Now.
38,
Now.
37, 38,
Now.
37, 30, 37,
Now.
36, 36,
Now.
35, 35,
Now.
34, 34,
Now.
33, 33,
Now.
30, 32,
Now.
31, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23,
Now.
30,
Now.
34, 33,
Now.
33,
Now.
23,
Now.
26,
Now.
22,
Now.
22,
Now.
21, 22,
Just
21,
go ahead, close your
20.
eyes, and allow yourself to relax. Just go deeper sleep. And as you go deeper sleep, bring your focus, your awareness to your breath. Feel your breath coming in and going out. And as you notice your breath coming in and going out, in a few moments, you may notice your breath becoming deeper and or more rhythmic. Whenever you notice your breath becoming deeper or more rhythmic, just nod your head or verbally say yes and let me know.
Yes,
Good. As you notice your breath becoming deeper and or more rhythmic, I would like you to bring your focus, your awareness on your eyes and let go of all the tension, all the stress from your closed eyelids. Now, as you let go of all the tension, all the stress from your closed eyelids, you will at some point be able to relax your eyes so much so that your eyes feel completely relaxed. And you know how it is, as the eyes begin to feel more and more relaxed, they become a bit heavy, they become a bit limp, and at some point your eyes can feel so relaxed they can be completely heavy and completely limp. If I were to ask you to let go of all the tension, all the stress from your closed eyelids, so that very soon it can become completely limp, completely relaxed, very heavy, you would be able to do that, wouldn't you?
yes,
Brilliant. So go ahead and just do exactly that. And once you feel your eyes are completely relaxed, feeling very heavy and limp, then and only then say yes and let me know.
yes,
Perfect. So are you completely sure? The eyes are completely relaxed, feeling very heavy and very limp.
yes,
Now that you're completely sure the eyes are completely relaxed, feeling very heavy and very limp, make yourself believe that your eyes are sealed shut and that you cannot open them. The harder you try, the more difficult it becomes to open them. The harder you try, the more difficult it becomes to open them. And then you can bring your focus, your awareness to your breath once again. And as you do that, just allow that breath to go deeper and take you deeper and deeper, deeper in you are unconscious. Now, as you go deeper in you are unconscious, you know that you are going through this course because you would like to learn about hypnosis and other related fields in a way in which you can not just learn it but apply it in your life to be able to create a positive change in your lives and the lives of other people that you work with. So while you are in the class, you are not just getting into a highly receptive state where you are able to learn everything that you are covering in the class, but you are also able to make sense of it in a way in which whenever you can make use of it to be able to help yourself or help others naturally, effectively, you will notice yourself being able to make use of this. In fact, going forward, This may become so much a part of your life that you would notice yourself using it and then realizing that you have used it so effectively that people have got results that they were looking for. So while I'm quiet, I would like you to think about a couple of areas in your life where you can really benefit by being able to apply what you're learning in this class about hypnosis and otherwise for better results. And once you're able to notice a couple of areas in your life where you would be able to apply this going forward in future and all the other things that you're going to learn in this class, then verbally say yes and let me know.
Yes.
Brilliant. Now that you have been able to notice the applications of your learning going forward in future in different areas of your life, I would like you to just observe your breath for some more time, enjoy this state, and then in a few moments, I'm going to count you from 1 up to 5. At 5, you'll be fully awake, feeling really good and fresh about yourself. Before that, we begin at 0, as there's a tendency to go deeper with 0. And each and every time you are at 0 and I use the words deep sleep for you for the purpose of hypnosis, you will quickly and calmly reach the state or even deeper. Your physical body will relax and your mind will be completely calm. Now, whenever you're ready, you can slowly bring both your hands together. And as you bring both your hands together, rub them, feel the warmth in your hands. Take your time. Just repeat the words integrate, integrate, integrate to yourself. And slowly bring both your hands together. And then you can start coming up at 1, higher at 2, further up at 3, feeling really good and fresh versus at 4. Bring both your hands closer towards your eyes, feeling the warmth in your eyes, and then opening your eyes wide awake, coming back to the present at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eyes open, wide awake. Good morning. Have a sip of water quickly.